What's up, guys? Hope everyone's been doing well. Sorry I haven't been uploading in a while. I've been studying for my board exams. So for pharmacy, you have to have two board exams, one a national one, and there's another for California where I live. So I just took the national one yesterday, and so that's why I haven't been uploading in a while. It's not a real good excuse. I should be uploading regardless of studying, but now I promise myself I'll make a solid effort of uploading as much as I can. And I know there's a lot of updates on coronavirus, and there's talks about remdesivir, and there's also new content about maybe dexamethasone or steroids being helpful for coronavirus. So we'll talk about those in upcoming videos. But I just wanted to give you guys an update that I have been studying for my boards. That's kind of taking up some time, but I did take one of my boards. I have another one coming up in a couple weeks, but that one, since I studied for the one before, I should be fine, hopefully. In addition, what I also wanted to focus on, because I think there's a lot of demand for viewers who are students and they are curious of how I study for the board exams, or how I studied in undergrad versus how I studied in pharmacy school. Because I was a pretty decent student. I wasn't like a top student or anything, but I did get good scores on my exams. I did get a good GPA, both in undergrad and in pharmacy school. Good is relative. Some people might say if it's not a 4.0, it's not good. But for me, I was very proud of myself. And so I felt a good part of that was through my study skills, my study methods I had, and my discipline. So a lot of people have been asking me how I did in pharmacy school. So I thought I'd make some content about that to just share my advice to you guys who are watching. But overall, look out for new videos that are coming up. I'm really excited to make the videos. I'm really excited to get this board exam out of the way. It was putting a lot of pressure on me, but for now, I'm very, very excited to make videos, and hopefully you guys will watch them. Until then, I'll see you guys next time.